with that, let's get started. We have multiple categories of awards, and our first category is on product innovation. It's probably what we think of most often when we think about innovation: new products and improved products. As a manufacturer, you are going to be left in the dust if you aren't continually thinking about what kinds of new products can you offer, what are your customers want that they don't even know they want yet. That's what we really need to be thinking about. I mean, who knew they needed an iPhone before an iPod was even out there? Nobody. So with that said, on the product development award winner, I'm thrilled to announce that Brenner-Fielder has won this year's award. And if you could please come up.
My name is Kathy Drybread, and I am a sales rep for Brenner-Fielder and Associates. Thank you very much to everyone involved that had something to do in us being given this award, my co-workers that I'm with included. Brenner-Fielder is headquartered in Riverside, and we are a pneumatic and automation solutions provider. We distribute products for well over 200 manufacturers of pneumatic and automation hardware and software. But what sets us apart from other distributors is the solutions provider part. We do contract manufacturing, we are a UL 508A panel shop, and we hold 2 ISO certifications. Not just 9001 like many of you probably have, but we hold a medical certification for ISO, which actually came from us partnering with a medical device manufacturer to improve their product. Our tagline is, we want to be an extension of your team. So this award is for new product innovation, and although it was not our product originally, we did just like we did for the medical device company. We made a customer's product even better. So why would we become the winner of this award? I'd love to tell you some of our big success stories that equated to big dollars, but that's not a revenue award, this is an innovation award. So in my opinion, I'm going to tell you a great example of what we try to convey to our customers and why we won. We have a customer that's a chocolatier, and their sales were suffering because the mixer was constantly breaking and halting production. They felt the reason it was breaking was due to human error, and if they would just invest in an automated system with robots, it would solve the problem. So we went out to take a look for them. We learned that the chocolate melts at a very certain temperature, and it's critical that the employee presses a certain button to start the mixing process at just that temperature. If you don't press the button right then, the chocolate becomes too hard, causing the mixer to break. It halts production, stops working. So after several minutes of hearing the customer show us drawings and go on about their idea for their new robot design, we listened patiently, but we said, happy to provide that for you, but what if we just change the interface so the button isn't even visible until the perfect temperature occurs? So guess which option the customer chose? Sometimes we're all too close to a situation and we need another set of eyes. And that's what this award represents for us. Innovation isn't always expensive. Sometimes it's just another set of eyes and welcoming someone else in to be an extension of your team. Thank you again very much.